hard for me to boil down to just one. I've been here so long, I think there's many. But the one I would talk about, I think the most, I think for the last 20 years or so, I've had the fortune and the privilege and the enjoyment of being able to go on our study abroad trips on different types of capacity with our graduate students. And I've done it mainly with MBA, but I've also had in the program at the same time students from accounting, the MAC program, our MSGL, MSEL. And besides the fact that it fosters global mindset and you have amazing visits to factories and business operations, lectures by professors and industry executives and things that really opens up your mind. The thing that also is important in that, I think that people take away and becomes unforgettable, it's just an intense period and you're working in such close proximity with your fellow students and the faculty. And you know, as I said, I've been here a very long time and I've attended a lot of graduation and parties and things like that following graduation. And I felt it, and I know a lot of my students, former students and alumni have said exactly the same thing. So I would put that as the pinnacle.